Be prepared for anything that comes your way with AI-based smart detection software and the accuracy of our dual-facing Dashcam. The Azuga Safety Cam camera captures both front-facing road events and in-cab driver behavior using cloud AI technology to detect unsafe driving behaviors, providing you with actionable insights to improve driver and fleet safety. Reduce the risk and cost of accidents by identifying high-risk drivers and get them the help they need before accidents occur. Get visibility into distracted driving activities to address one of the leading causes of preventable accidents. 70% of accidents are not the fault of your drivers. Prevent nuclear lawsuits and exonerate your drivers with your most accurate witness. Coach your drivers with real near-miss examples to promote better driving habits and reduce fleet crash rates. Get unmatched benefits with one platform. The Azuga Safety Cam works with Azuga Fleet and Azuga Fleet Mobile to provide an integrated solution. Customize our solution based on driver scores, deploying both Azuga Fleet and safety-related services to your riskiest drivers. Preventing the exorbitant cost of an accident, the impact on your business, and worse, the impact on your drivers is what sets Azuga apart.